Egg fried rice. I was thinking about also playing Cloverfield. It's on Xbox with the Game Pass. Let's play! Let's play with common sense. I think I seen Markiplier play this like 2 years ago. Was it Markiplier or was it... Okay. You good, PC? Oh god. It's mining Bitcoin on my computer. Oh, what? I'm far too hungry. Alright. This is me. I get too hungry at night. Oh, wow. Limit 30 FPS. No head bob. Anti-aliasing or whatever the fuck. Filter effects. Sensitivity. Brightness. Let's crank that soldier boy to 60. Okay, and the sense. Let's crank that up to like 80. What if I just go back to bed? Not yet. Sure. Try to sleep. Can I go back to bed? Sleepless night. You tried to sleep without eating, but you just tossed and turned all night, unable to settle. The next day, you performed poorly at work due to the lack of sleep, and your boss fired you. You fell into a depressed slump, causing your friends and family to tire of your now constant whining. One by one, they stopped contacting you. You should have eaten some egg fried rice. Okay. So there are multiple endings. Interesting. How come this time it almost didn't crash my computer? It almost crashed my computer. Or it almost did crash it. Yeah. I'm too tired of this thing. This is my wallet. Oh, that ruined my immersion. Okay. The sensitivity is way too low still. I'm disoriented. Hold on. Ooh. Do I not have something in my fridge? I have bread. Just eat bread. Maybe if you have some Nutella, just eat it. It's a good late night snack. That could be tasty. That sounds so good. It's late though. I shouldn't have so much. I think I'll just get some egg fried rice. Darn! They don't deliver. It's only a short drive into town. I'll just go and order in person. One day. Let's call her mother. Hello? It's me! I can't sleep. Honey? What time is it? Late. Did I wake you? Yes. Has something happened again? No, I'm just hungry. Then get yourself a snack and go back to bed. If it's nothing serious, I will hang up now. I don't want to wake your father. Yeah. Good night. Aw. I love my mother. This is groovy. Yeah, who is it? It's me. It's a bit late for a chat, ain't it? I can't sleep. So you're calling me? In the middle of the night? I could have been fast asleep. Were you? No, of course not. I was just heading out. I'm gonna go visit a friend. I can't talk now. At this time of night? I hope this isn't gonna be a repeat of last time. What? No! I told you, I'm never messing with that stuff again. I nearly died that night. And then you practically went into hiding. I'm not in hiding. It was just time for a move. Yeah, convenient timing. I don't need this right now. Well, lucky you. I gotta go. This has been swell. Bye-bye. Wait! Haven't you got any advice on how to fall asleep for me? Count cheap. Should I take his advice? Let's call the police. I shouldn't do that without a reason. Oh, day. Cereal? No milk. Oh, day. Bathroom door. Maybe I just need to shit. Okay, nice shower. Or nice, bath. Torch stick. This will help me in the dark! Turn on. More music, let's go. So I'm in hiding. And it's dark. Thought that was the face. Let's take my phone. Let's go! Where am I supposed to be going? This way, hopefully. I played enough Mario Kart to know that how to drift. Any tunes? Creepy. Oh shit. What the fuck do you mean not parked? Alright. Lights turn on. Oh, I didn't have my headlights on. I could have gotten into a crash. Parked. Okay, let's get out. Where's the egg fried rice restaurant? Here it is! Chinese restaurant. Hello, sir! Oh, that's a woman. Hello, what can I get you? One egg fried rice. Of course! That'd be two... is that euros? 2 euros, 2.80 euros. 2 euros and 80 cents. I'll quickly drive back into my home and get it. Is that okay? Yes, that is fine. The food will take a few minutes to prepare, so it should be ready by the time you come back. Do not take too long. You must close soon. No problem. I'll be quick. What the fuck, you stupid bastard. Old man, hello there. Have we met before? I don't think so. Perhaps you're right. But you certainly look familiar. I must be mistaken. Might study from Magdalena. No. Careful, why? Did you read the paper? It's dangerous to be out alone at night. I'll never get used to the violence in towns and cities such as this. I live far out in the forest, you see. There's nowhere more peaceful and safe. Though I suppose there are rumors of missing people all the way out there too. Oh, here! I got rambling again. I don't get any more chances to talk to any folk these days. I think I didn't know more. Good day. Can I talk to you? No, but you're certainly creepy. Alright, let's explore this nice little town. Whoa. Hey, I've not seen you around before. New to the area? That's crazy. You picked a bad time. Some woman turned up dead just the other week. What happened? I don't know the deets. I just overhear some stuff, you know. Her body got dumped someplace outside of town. Pretty gnarly stuff. But hey, life goes on. Well, for the rest of us anyway. Wild time right now, you know. Really? You're not gonna give me any more information? Fucking prick. Is there anything in the dumpster? Nope. Oh, this is a restricted area. Fuck. Why do I walk so slow, bro? Alright, let's head out. Ah, look, a shortcut. Oh. Stupid prick. This car sucks. Am I home yet? There's home. Why am I the only home out here? This is very strange. Shut the fuck up. I played enough Forza back in my day. Alright, get up. I am home. I left my door open. Shut up. There's my wallet. There are coins inside! Can't call Muzzo, nor can I call my friend. Can I sleep yet? I haven't eaten yet. Not able to sleep. Stupid bitch. Alrighty. Let's head on out. Is my door locked? Alright, hold on. Shut up. Like I was saying that people go missing even in neighborhoods out in the woods, so I must close my door as a safety measure. Get in! Okay, if anybody tries to fuck with me, I can just run them over, right? It's weird how there's only 5 songs on the radio. Why am I riding on like, why am I driving on like the the right side of the car? This is weird. Hi! That's a creepy guy from the fucking Chinese shop. Good thing I locked my door. Parked. Oh, fuck you. Come on. Alrighty. It's my food. Something wrong? Of course! I'm back with the money. What do you mean? Payment for my egg fried rice, remember? Did your friend not tell you? You put the egg fried rice. My friend? Yes, the man that came in with you before. He paid up and said he would take your egg fried rice straight to you. He's no friend of mine. You didn't take my food? Well, yes. He told me. Oh dear. I'm sorry. We were about to lock up, but I will ask our chef for another egg fried rice. Thank you, that would be great. Read it right here. Thank fucking Christ. What a loser. Yeah, fucking right. Fucking stupid bitch. Here you go. There's no harm done. Here's your money. Thank you. Don't forget to pick up your egg fried rice before you leave. Good night. It looks delicious. Can you eat that big of serving? You're gonna have some leftovers, buddy. Let's go talk to the fucking guy. Where is he? Why do I walk so slowly? What the fuck? Maybe he's over here? Nope. Oh, here we go. Hey, I got a favor to ask you, you know? I need a few pennies for the bus. Friends help each other out. Right, friend? Give him some spirit coins. This guy's chill. Thanks, bro. You're a hero. They'll be writing songs about you, friend. Just a heads up. Some creepy guy, dude, went running after your car when you left earlier. Give me weird vibes, you know? Keep your eyes peeled. Alright, bro. Dude, sometimes I just get these weird feelings of, like, fucking self-existentialism. something about it. It's really fucked up. We got some egg fried rice in the car. We got so many trees with no other houses besides my own out here. Like, have we how do we not have anybody else living around us? What the fuck? Oh, damage your car. Is that egg fried rice? I don't believe it. What a mess. Did somebody throw this at me? I'm getting creeped out. I don't want to hang out around here. Better drive slow and get home. I'll start this thing in the morning. I can't deal with it now. I just want to eat my egg fried rice. That part. Shut the fuck up. I can't see shite, bro. Alright, I'm gonna get home and call the police. I'm scared. There's my home. Get out! Hold on. This is fucking scary. Let's just go in! Let's go in, let's go in, let's go in. Place. Into the phone. Please come and collect them. Ooh, I get to go back? Hello? Hang up. Dude, I could quickly go up and pick up some free beer and fortune cookie. My egg fried rice would still be warm if I hurry. But should I? Nah. I'm gonna do my own thing.
Otherwise, the boy was coming down away from other green, man. You're not interested in all those.
Dude, how do you make egg fried rice? Slept safely, but at what cost? After finishing your egg fried rice, you went back to bed. As soon as your head hit the pillow, you fell asleep. You fell into a deep, peaceful sleep. However, the next morning, you woke up feeling haunted by your decision to turn down a free drink and a fortune cookie due to a little fear and uneasiness. The memory of this seemingly poor choice caused you to live the rest of your life with an unshakable sensation of hollowness. The mental hang-up of ruining an otherwise nice meal meant you could never, ever again fully enjoy the once delicious taste of egg fried rice. That was fun. Bonus speed option as well. I'm not gonna play that. Yes. That was cool.